Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you what to do if the battery on your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7 is draining too fast. First, right-click the battery icon on the taskbar, go to Power and Sleep Settings, open Power Mode and change the battery mode from Balanced to Best Power Efficiency. Also, enable Energy Saver by switching the toggle on, and if you don't want your screen to dim, switch this toggle off. Next, reduce the number of apps consuming your device's resources. Right-click the taskbar and go to Task Manager. Here you'll find applications and processes that consume the most battery. Add a power usage column by right-clicking a column header and selecting power usage, then sort apps by power usage. If an app you don't need is consuming a lot of power, right-click it and select End Task. Go to the Startup Apps section, sort by status, and disable any apps you don't need to launch at startup, like game launchers or messengers. This will not only speed up your device but also reduce resource consumption. Also close browser tabs, even if they're empty, as they consume RAM memory which isn't upgradable. For example, 9 tabs currently occupy 1.5 GB of memory. Don't forget to close open tabs. Lastly, you can prevent battery aging and check its health using the Lenovo Vantage app from the Microsoft Store. Run the app, go to Device Settings, then Power. Enable Battery Saver or Adaptive Power Mode to limit performance and extend battery life. Enable Conservation Mode to limit charging, or disable it to use overnight battery charging, which learns your charging patterns to prevent overcharging. To check battery health, go to Hardware Scan, select Custom, wait for components to load, select Battery and click Scan. Scroll to the bottom to see your battery capacity. If it's below 80% or 70%, your battery needs replacement. For me, the capacity is 100% and the health test passed, which is perfect. If your capacity is too low, you can't save it and will need to replace it by contacting Lenovo customer support. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please consider subscribing, leave a like in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.